Hey contractors, Clayton Miller here with Makeover Homes. Today we're going to be talking about getting your bid in the proper format. So if you're viewing this email, it's likely because we received a bid that wasn't quite in the right format that the lender is going to require in order to get this loan closed. So your format may be all well and good, you've used it for the last several years, and we know that you're used to it, you like it, and it gets a job done. However, the lender needs it in a specific format for them to push on and get the loan closed. The other reason we need it in a specific format is so when it's time to request draws and get paid for your work, it's a lot easier for the HUD consultant to walk the project and know exactly how much money to give you for each and every line item that you've got completed. So what we want to do is we want to get our bid converted into a line item per room, and then each line item broken down into labor and materials. And what we've done is built a specific program within our app called the Bid Builder to help make that easy. So to find your bid builder, what you're going to do is go into your project page. Once into your project page, you're going to come right down here to the estimate section and the Bid Builder button. So let's say you've got that bid completely done. All the numbers look good. The clients agree to it. We just need to get it in the proper format. That's when we're going to come to this page. So over here, I've got an option, or rather an example of what a potential bid looks like that is looking good. It's broken down really well by line item. However, it's not exactly in the right format. Okay, we're not broken into any rooms. We don't really need quantity and rate. But we do have our total, so we need to get this thing converted into what the lender's looking for. So let's take a look at this first line item here, the paint interior walls, ceiling, doors, and trim, $5274.50. So in order to put this into the bid builder, it's as easy as entering a repair item, and that's going to be a quick summary of what we're doing. In this case, it's interior painting. Now, once we've entered our repair item, we're going to come over to our material cost. Material cost on a painting job this size, let's call it roughly $1,000, which leaves us $42.7450 for our labor cost. Okay, so that gives us our total that matches over here, $52.7450, $52.7450. We want to make sure that your bid lines up right. Now, which room are we going to be working in? They didn't give us an actual room breakdown, and for a price that size, we're probably going to guess that this is all rooms, maybe working on a small home here. The trade we're going to be working in, and I think we gave you like 12 to 15 categories here. Trade is going to be paint. If for some reason the trade that you think matches up with this line item isn't found, just use other. So we're going to be doing some painting, and then here is where you get more specific. So we're going to be doing interior paint, and we're going to be painting the walls, ceiling, trim, and all doors. Maybe single color to make it even more specific. Once completed, you're going to hit Save Item. What that's going to do is it's going to automatically put that item down here into the proper format. We're going to be categorized by the room, the repair item, the labor and the material breakdown, and our total, and then exactly what's going on. The other thing you'll notice is our bid total will begin to grow. So as you're putting your bid together, you want to make sure that this bid total ends up matching the bid total of the bid that you've already got okayed with the client. So let's add another repair item. We're looking at supply and install 48 square foot of hard surface countertops for a total of $38.40. Okay, so back over here, we've got countertops. Again, repair item is a 1 or 2 word summary of what's going on. Material-wise, countertops tend to lean towards the higher side of that material number, or of that total. So we're going to go $3,000 in material and $840 in labor. From a room standpoint, we're going to assume that this is going into the kitchen. So we'll go ahead and select kitchen. And then trade countertops. And what we're going to do is we are going to install 48 square feet of hard surface countertop in kitchen, and maybe for another level of specificity, we'll say level 1 granite, and we're going to save that item. So what you'll notice is it creates another room below your all rooms, and it will continue to do this as we add different line items into the HVAC room, into the exterior, which would be this fill in a pool. Electrical is going to be all, window may be all. This one looks like we're doing a number of different windows. Basically, as you go through your bid, you just want to mark out what is my repair item, what's my material cost, what's my labor cost, where is it located, my trade, and then the summary. And that's going to neatly break down your bid into the proper format that we need to send to that lender. Okay. Once you're completed, you're going to verify that this bid total number here is going to match your bid total, which ours don't match because I don't have all my line items, but you want to make sure that your numbers match. And when done, you're going to hit submit bid. Once the bid is submitted, this is locked, so you can't make any more edits or delete any items. The HUD consultant is going to get an email, our admin is going to get an email that your bid has been submitted and is now in the proper format. So we will take that new bid, send it to yourself and the client potentially for signatures if needed, and if not, we're going to kick that right off to the lender along with the SOR to finish the job. If for some reason you do need to get in here and make some edits, the HUD consultant can unlock your bid. You can pop into your line items, make edits, or add more if that's the case, and then go back to bid submitted. Either way, every time you submit a bid, somebody will know that a bid has been submitted and you'd like to move on with the project. And that is the bid builder. Again, the use of this bid builder is to make it easy for you to take a bid that's in a good format and get it into the format that is required by the lender, and makes it easy for the HUD consultant to come out and make sure you get paid for the work that you've done.